surprised if 3 of these hives actually survived. Nice to see the bees. And I've got some hives I've got to clean out here. This hive system here I got to clean out. There's a few. I don't know if any of this is showing up, but we got some visitors here today. It just hit 50 degrees Fahrenheit. I'll have to fix this hive. I think this is a vacant hive, but there's still quite a couple of full frames of full boxes of honey and pollen in there, which will help to support some of the local hives. I mean, what are you doing down there, handsome? What are you doing? Fencing. I gotta get. There's some wasp nests that got in some of these swarm traps, so that's a wasp nest up in that one, which I need to clean up because it's a massive nest. The bees. It's so good to have bees. Spring isn't spring without beautiful bees. What you doing, handsome boy? You are such a dirty little boy. Enjoy the beautiful warm day. I've got a lot of pruning to do out here. a honey hut.